conference. We are joined by Coach Luigi Trillo of Meralco. Coach, could you talk about yung ano mo nyo muna, yung how you were able to weather the storm after that huge fight back by Titan?
Yeah, no, Titans capable. I mean, against San Miguel, they had a 41-point quarter. So, parang sa kanila, after getting that first win, they had no quit, right? We had a bit of problems with that zone. We were a little bit too quick in what we were doing. We went up and down, and when you go at that pace, you give the other team a chance to catch up, right? But we did enough. Coach Nenad kind of spoke to the boys a bit about that game against Rain or Shine. We wanted our team back. It didn't seem like that Rain or Shine game was something we're proud about. So it was good that the guys responded naman. First two quarters, we did well. I thought everybody played good basketball. And then, yun nga, yung sinabi mo, in that second half, you give it to Titan when they ran that full court trap, nag-small ball sila, they took that import out. They kind of went on a run. And Sonia 29 points today, so they did pretty well.